My name is Michael Lozano, and I am a senior here at the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater. I am an international business major with a minor in Spanish.
My name is Abraham Alvarez. I'm currently a junior at UW-Whitewater, studying integrated science and business with an emphasis in water resources.
Well, the students are all from the south side of Milwaukee, from a school called Escuela Vieau, which is off of 4th Street on the south side of Milwaukee. I brought up the idea of maybe bringing them to Whitewater and like getting them engaged in a camp. In a STEM camp, science, technology, engineering, and math. And once they got here, me and Abe were curiosity curators. And so at that time, we could, show them anything that we wanted to do.
I've had experience working with kids their age for like 4 years. I was a camp counselor, a junior camp counselor. So I had like a close bond with a lot of those students already because I had spent a lot of summers with them. But not only that, those kids reminded me of myself, and I just remember being in middle school and like not having anybody come talk to us about college or give us any mentorship or advice. It was pretty much all on our own. These kids are from my community, from the south side of Milwaukee, and I just thought like this would be a great project to give back. And I don't know, I feel like it would make the kids really happy to have somebody older than them who they could relate to, help guide them a little bit towards their future, because a lot of them probably didn't have in their mind that they could go to college, or they might have doubted themselves. But I think after spending so much time with them, they see that it's possible and that they're more encouraged to want to go to college now.